easy origami bird. Hi everyone, welcome back to another fun origami tutorial. Today, we're making a beautiful origami bird using 3 bills. This is a simple yet elegant design that looks amazing as a decoration or a fun gift. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect 3 bills into a square. First, take 3 bills and attach them together to form a square shape. Make sure they are neatly aligned so the folds will be even. Origami tip. Using crisp bills helps keep your folds sharp and your bird looking clean. Step 2. Fold diagonally in half. Now, fold your square diagonally from one corner to the opposite to create a large triangle. Press down firmly along the crease. Step 3. Fold both side edges toward the center. Take both side edges and fold them inward to meet the middle crease. This will start forming the structure of our bird. Step 4. Fold the top section downward. Now, fold the top section down to shape the upper body of the bird. This fold helps define the neck area. Origami tip. Press down firmly to keep the shape structured and balanced. Step 5. Fold the top corners toward the center. Take the top 2 corners and fold them inward toward the middle crease. This step adds more details to the bird's body. Step 6. Fold the wings. Now, fold out the side sections to form the bird's wings. Adjust the angle slightly to make it look like the bird is flying. Origami tip. A slight upward bend in the wings gives the bird a more natural, graceful look. Step 7. Fold the tail. At the back, fold the bottom section outward to shape the tail feathers. You can adjust the angle to make it look more elegant. Step 8. Fold the head. Finally, fold the top section forward to form the bird's head and beak. Adjust the angle slightly to give your bird a unique expression. Step 9. Done. And there you have it, your very own origami bird. It's simple, elegant, and fun to make. Try it out and let me know how yours turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative origami videos. See you next time.